Welcome to Krishna Shot Blasting and Painting System, where real engineering meets real results. Years of experience, backed by a professional team. With a strong setup and advanced infrastructure, Production Unit 1 handles high-efficiency manufacturing with ease. More than 25 years in the industry, and still evolving with better precision every day. Using advanced laser cutting technology, we deliver accuracy you can actually depend on. From fine detailing to heavy-duty cutting, every step is done with complete control and consistency. Production Unit 2 further strengthens our capacity, helping us maintain quality even at higher volumes. With a fully integrated setup, Production Unit 3 manages everything smoothly, from fabrication to final finishing, all under one roof. Every machine, every process, built to deliver performance you can trust. Krishna Shot Blasting and Painting System, built on strength, driven by excellence.